Only certified broadcast meteorologist.
Robert, I will teach you two things today.
Please.
One is a new word. It's called découpage.
Découpage.
Yes.
Which means
second thing,
expensive.
well, not really actually, but good guess. It sounds expensive, but it's not. And it's a way of decorating your eggs, the way you can see I did there. You can cut out little pieces of like a pretty napkin or something like that, or even like thin paper, and then you glue it onto the egg with egg whites.
That's genius.
Look how cute it looks. I mean, some of them are colored, but the ones with the little flowers, those are just, I bought like, there were a couple bucks, some pretty napkins. You use the egg whites. I think the egg whites are more expensive than the actual napkins.
Carla, aren't these eggs?
They are.
A couple bucks.
Well, not the eggs. That's what I'm saying. The napkins, not the eggs.
I mistitled it. It's
I'm
not
sorry.
Carla's $500 Easter egg basket.
Well, almost.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Carla. Thank you. We're going to share that treat online. If you'd like to do it, just log on to KTSM.com. You can figure out her special Croatian way of doing beautiful Easter eggs. 82 degrees. Our official high temperature today. 78 is normal this time of year. Record 93 set back in 1989. Oh, it feels good to get warm. It's been so chilly. Thank you. 82 Las Cruces, 82 Juarez, 77 Alamogordo, 66 in Ruidoso today. Are you ready to be blessed with the most beautiful Easter Sunday ever? Winds, not a factor tomorrow. They've already calmed down quite nicely. 3 miles per hour at the airport, calm Las Cruces, 7 miles per hour Deming. 81 degrees at the airport right now. Winds 3 miles per hour. Hallelujah. Couple of clouds out there tonight, but generally a beautiful night. We'll see a few clouds passing over. We've got some showers over Albuquerque, north central New Mexico right now, but generally down here along the border, pretty nice. And here comes your forecast across the nation tomorrow. We can draw a line right through eastern New Mexico, right around Cloudcroft, Ruidoso. Slight chance of a couple of drops up there in the mountains tomorrow afternoon, but down here along the border, lots of sunshine, light winds. Oh, so beautiful day. Here are the temperatures right now. 75 Alamogordo, 77 Deming, 79 Juarez, 77 Van Horn. Low temperatures tonight, 49 Alamogordo, 42 Deming, 52 for Juarez, 50 for Van Horn. Your high temperatures tomorrow, very similar to the way they were today. 79 Alamogordo, 81 Deming, 83 Juarez, and 81 for Van Horn. Tonight, 46 with a couple of clouds for you. Las Cruces, light winds overnight tonight, tomorrow. 82 high temperature, sunshine, winds variable at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. 52 the low temperature at the International Airport tonight with a high tomorrow. 82 degrees, expected to be beautiful with light winds. Now only KTSM gives you 9 full days of weather. Easter Sunday, just gorgeous. Now the clouds will move in on Monday. 81 degrees. We'll see some thunder showers eastern New Mexico, but not down here. 84 and sunshine on Tuesday. 89 degrees, close to 90 on Wednesday. A little breezy, and then here come those gusty, dusty days. Thursday, 87 with a dusty haze. The strongest winds Friday, partly cloudy and 80 degrees, and then it backs off for the weekend.